Alright, here we are with another ELight product. These are two 20-watt color-controlled floodlights for outside. I'm going to use them to throw some color on the side of the RV at night. I just think it'd be really cool decoration. They are IP66, which is how waterproof or not waterproof they are. Let's unbox them and see what's in there. Okay, as I said, this is a package of two lights. Let's do the one-handed unboxing. Very simple. Here's the light. Small, water resistant IP66 LED, 20 watts. Got a built-in stand. Has holes on the bottom of the stand, so if, like for myself, I'm going to put it on the ground like that, looking at the RV, but if you wanted to hang it from a wall, it's already pre-drilled, so you can do that. Should be plug and play. You should also, this is a 2-pack, so there are 2 of them. And there is a remote as well. Okay, and the remote has the color options, has how bright you can turn up the bright, turn it down, turn it off, turn it on, a strobe effect, flash effect, fade, smooth, and then there's also a white option. All right, let's come back tonight when it's dark and set this all up, see what it looks like. Okay, here we go. It is now nighttime. I am back. Let's try out the 20-watt ELight IP66 external light. Again, it's a floodlight, comes in 2 with this clicker with lots of different functionality. Let's play with it a little bit, see what it actually looks like in use. Okay, so here we have the ELight 20 watt. Whoa, that is pretty bright. There's the side of the trailer looking pretty cool. I think I personally find these like slowly pulsing changes in colors to be my personal preference. Obviously you can do individual colors. Let's see what other options we got. Let's see, try that. That's like a quick flash through. Pretty sure I saw one here designed to give you a stroke. That's the white. Again, it seems to be a common thing. These clickers do not have a whole lot of range. Okay, so here's the stroke style. If you're having a rave, that would be cool. Let's do a solid color. There we go. Purple. Let's try purple. Ooh, blue. And then we can try and up the brightness. No, I turned it off. Wrong button. It's hard to do at night in the dark. There we go. There we go. Full on 20 watts of blue. I think that's my style. Anyway, that is the review and experience of the ELight 20 watt IP66 light.